This is a pretty challenging problem. I'm going to solve it in two different ways. First, I'll solve it using Desmos, especially for students who don't remember the vertex form or may not know how to use it yet. Second, I'll solve it using the vertex form of a quadratic function. Remember, on the SAT, even if you don't know the formula, there is still a way to solve the problem. So never give up. Stay calm, use the tools you have, and keep fighting through the question.
Method 1. The intuitive Desmos approach without vertex form. If setting up the vertex form feels confusing, the easiest and most foolproof way is to use the symmetry of the vertex to find 3 points and run a regression in Desmos. 1. Find the third point using symmetry. The vertex is -5, -8, and 1 point is -6, -10. A quadratic function is perfectly symmetrical around the x-coordinate of its vertex, x equals -5. Therefore, the point symmetrical to -6, -10 on the other side is -4, -10. 2. Enter a table in Desmos. Click the plus button in Desmos to add a table and enter your 3 points. For x, enter -6, -5, and -4. For y, enter -10, -8, and -10. 3. Enter the quadratic regression equation. In a new input line, check A, B, and C. 4. Check the results. Desmos will automatically fit the graph and calculate the constants for you. The y-intercept, which is the C value here, is the A you are looking for in the problem. The Desmos result will show C equals -58. 5. Final calculation. Plug this into our shortcut formula, 5a. Absolute 5 times -58 is 290.
Method 2. The standard algebraic approach, using vertex form. If you prefer to solve it algebraically, here is how the equation unfolds. Set up the equation using the vertex -5, -8. f of x is k times x plus 5 squared minus 8. Substitute the given point -6, -10 to find the leading coefficient k. -10 equals k times -6 plus 5 squared minus 8. -10 equals k times -1 squared minus 8. -10 equals k minus 8. K is -2.
Write the complete function f of x equals -2 times x plus 5 square minus 8. Substitute x equals 0 to find the y-intercept a. A equals f of 0 equals -2 times 0 plus 5 square minus 8 is -2 times 25 minus 8, then it is -58. Calculate the positive difference between a and b. Absolute 5a is 5 times -58, then it is 290. If setting up the vertex form equation is prone to mistakes or feels burdensome, combining the symmetry of a quadratic function with Desmos regression method 1 is an excellent strategy to save time and completely prevent calculation errors on the test.